For the first day, we are going to start. You can write your name in the attendance sheet with your signature. Then after that, I have here a pre-assessment test which will serve as a tool to know your knowledge about our topic. You can answer it for 15 minutes since it's 15 items on the list. Then another one is a data gathering instrument for training characteristics. This one.
Good.
So I will get this later under our orientation. So to start, you are enrolled in breast-based production and safety. And our learning training center is King Thomas Learning Academy Incorporated with the school ID of 43345. And these are the philosophy, vision, mission, goals, and objectives. You will read that in your page. Then, this is the core values: commitment to growth and excellence, respect for creation, passion for social responsibility, patriotism, country, and local community. So, as we go on with the training, we are expected to respect the surroundings and even the co-students in this training center. So I am Anjali Matin, your BPT trainer. Then next is the competency-based training, or the CBT. It is a training delivery approach that focuses on the competency development of the learner as the result of the training. Emphasizes on the learner method, focuses on the outcome rather than the learning process within the specified time. So meaning, it is more focuses on the outcome, not on the process. It's not like the, what we call, it is not like the way like we are used to, like when we are in the elementary work, the teacher is the one who is spoon feeding the student of the topics. So in this training, you are expected to, you are responsible of your own learning. So this CBT has 10 principles, namely the training. I am going to give you instructions of your own learning. Training is based on work that has been performed. So we are not going to elaborate or more on lectures. We are more on demonstrations. Training materials are directly related to the competency standards and curriculum. Then number 8 is the system allows for the people pasting a pin. So that if you have knowledge or advanced knowledge on that, you will no longer take that topic. So in this training, I have role as a trainee and you also have role as a trainer and you have role as a trainer also. The role of the trainer is serves as a team member to determine is to be learned. What is to be learned? So as your trainer, I am not going to say what you need to do or I will act as a team member who will guide and facilitate you throughout the training. You will experience motivation, so I will also guide you, so we will do motivation. Then the role of the trainee. Since the training is individual, you will be guided by the things that you need to do. So these are the contents of in the instruction sheets, it has information sheets, operation sheet, that sheet, performance criteria, like this. So in the subject, you are going to answer questions. Then you are also the one who correct it because it has answer key in the top of it. So you need to answer it with all honesty. So these are the unit of competencies to be covered for graduation and after. Basic competencies, common competencies, and the core competencies. And we are going to focus on the core competencies. Under core competencies, prepare and use bakery products. Then prepare and sell bakery products. In this case, prepare and sell cold or cake. Prepare and sell course, which we are going to do later. So to monitor your progress, we are going to use progress chart. This one. This chart is used to monitor the learning outcomes and competencies achieved by the student. So after you achieve the competencies, I will check the under and then another one is the achievement chart. This one. This chart is used to monitor the required projects and activities completed. So in the evaluation system, we have three. Number one is written test. Number two is performance test. This is demonstration. Then number three is oral question. Then this flowchart shows the flow of the training. So we are here in the orientation. Then after the training, you are going to take the written test, demonstration, and oral questioning, and hopefully all of you will be competent in this training. But if not yet competent, you are also welcome to take the training again and be competent. So this is our training facility. So this is our computer lab.
Ako ba sini? Ako ba sini? Sa bagi.
I detect your the assessment test and Miss Cornell got
Wow.
so it also shows that you are a kinesthetic learner. With very good language and literacy. That's the 11 minutes. You want to do a demonstration on decorating seats. I'll be back after the session. in decorating things.
So, the important factors to consider the cake ma'am is the texture, the consistency, and the taste.
Thank you.
You may go.
So now we are you ready for the next activity? We are going to
we're going to add a filling. Okay, thank you. Very good. Miss Romero. Okay, very good. So before we leave, we need to ensure that our facilities and equipments are clean. So we must clean the area. You may take your seats. We'll proceed to oral questions.
Punot na. Why is hygiene and sanitation important in presenting visitors? Why is it important? So, Malamaya, why is accurate measurement important in baking?
Baking is based on the exact measurements so that you're working with the
Very good. So with that, since you have passed the written exam, the demonstration, and the oral questioning, you are now competent for the checking program. And you will receive a certificate of completion. Miss Lorena and Miss Maria. Then, so that concludes our revenue production and training.